Okay, I'll start the recording. Okay, can you please share your screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Let
can
me
you?
know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes, I can able to see your screen. Just minimize that Zoom applications on your desktops. Do you have Azure?
No.
Okay,
Okay, so I have built that. I mean, the task you have
okay,
given. So
okay.
let me
Okay. How much time it took?
10-15 minutes only.
Okay,
Yeah, so I like with the test 7, I am first creating something in the workbench.
okay.
So the new one is created. Yeah, this test 7 got created here.
Details.
Okay. Yeah. Now I will create another one from the Postman.
Yeah.
Update it to test 7 and send the request. Yeah, so if I go in the account, there will be another test 7 got created. So this is the new one which got created. So there will be no update and it is with agriculture. So there is no
Okay.
update will happen.
It's a
And
duplicated. Okay. Now go
yeah,
back to
and this
original
is
one.
yeah, this is the original one. So if I go here, then this will get updated and this QAD, this will be this one. 3 years of
Wait.
QAD.
Okay, communication it is a workbench account, workbench data, and agriculture is a postman data, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so it's fine, working fine. Go to flow.
Yes. So I first fetched all the accounts with the same name and account ID will not be the triggering account ID
Okay,
and
date
created
also
it
you
with
have to.
the.
Okay,
So after that I am looping through it, updating the fields here with updating these fields to true and this record ID will be the triggering account record ID
okay,
and then adding in a like collection variable and updating the collection variable.
okay. Uh, yes. Listen. Okay, okay, okay. Just open a update fields element assignment for loop below. Yeah, that one. Open get record element. Scroll down here. That's okay. Very good, Mitra. So in this case, in the integration, what will happen? One platform is connecting with multiple accounts. We're having a Wipro organization and we're having a TCS organization. Like it is a head office. It is in the Hyderabad or it's Bangalore. Okay, it's connected with multiple branches. So where the data is coming exactly, like we don't know, like every day the bulk data is storing in the production platform. So we need to secure and we need to avoid the duplicates. We need to avoid the duplicates records. Like we need to know. We should have to get to know like which record is duplicated, like created date less than. So we need to check properly. So that's why in real time, this is a main scenario, main scenario. This one only. The first step, this one. They will avoid the duplicate. They will check. I mean, whatever the duplicates values. I mean, they are not. Uh, I mean, they are not inserting any kind of validation rules. Okay, they are not inserting any kind of
Mm,
validation rules. Just they will what they will do. They will agree the record. Once it stored the record in database, it will show yes, it's already the data is already stored in the database. It's a duplicated record. Then what they will do,
mm,
whenever in account object, go to account object,
Account object.
account no, account record object, yeah, first one.
Mhm,
So they will check whenever the boolean, it is a there, right, duplicate. Whenever the boolean is
mhm.
true on that object, they will delete the data. This boolean, it will be
Okay.
linked on the record ID, and if it is both are true, then they will remove. I mean, they will delete the data with the help of the record ID. That's why I told you on the text data type, you should have to mention the record ID, which is the duplicate value is stored in the database. Did you clear?
Okay. Yes, yes.
So they will delete bulk data itself with the help of the asynchronous. They will delete automatically on the particular time. They will set a schedule time on the particular time. The whatever the boolean is true or else data. I mean the ID is there on the particular field. The data it will be deleted automatically. Means with the the original data it will be safe, and whatever the duplicate data they have created it will be deleted automatically. Then the customer also he will not uh, it will not impact on goodwill as well. They will agree whatever,
Mm,
yeah, whatever he's inserting the data, they will take it. Once they will check yes it's a duplicate, they will delete the data automatically on the particular schedule of the time. Clear?
understood.
Yeah. So now just open the new tab and check whether it is a request bin. Login with request bin.
Sorry, where to go? I didn't get.
Yeah, go to new tab.
Okay.
Yeah, here type request bin. REQUEST request bin. Yeah, and
Yes, sir.
request bin online API testing tool. Uh, huh, HTTP testing platform. Yes, that's one. The first one, the first option.
Okay.
Okay, sign up. Google. Okay. So this is a another one platform. Okay. Continue to dashboard. Okay, you can able to see
Clicked on it.
dashboard option, right? Left hand side above. Yeah, just click that.
Yeah, clicking on this, nothing is happening. Let me
Refresh it.
refresh.
Yeah. So it's a dashboard now. It's a dashboard now. So you can able to see here doc traffic control mock APIs. You can able to see mock APIs.
Yes.
Just click that. Okay. No, this is not. Hmm. Just to wait. Uh, in this chat box, I have sent one link. Just click that link in Zoom chat box.
Yeah, this one I opened.
Yeah. Just click a create request pin.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, mm, okay. Now this is a another one third party system. In every organization, they're having a duplicate. I mean, whatever the data is storing in the organization, which is a duplicate. Like they're having a different team, they will check. Which is a duplicate one. They can able to check the data, and whatever you have opened this right request when he's a client, for example. Okay, he's a client. Now he's asking to Salesforce. Actually, I want to check whatever the duplicate data we are storing in daily. I need to check. I need to check. Please give me the duplicate data per day. How many records are storing in the Salesforce? That duplicate data I want exactly. I want that data. So now what you need to do, you should have to send, go to the account record page. Yeah. So you need to send this data wherever the duplicate is boolean true and recorded is there, right? Duplicate ID.
Yes.
Yes, this both you should have to send to this third party system. This to the client request bin client. You should have to send them. Did you clear the requirement?
Yes. Yes. Understood.
You should have to like do like create three or more records, so you can able to send at a time 5 records. Then the client, what he will do, he will check he will check the exactly data. Yes, these are all the duplicate data we are getting, but the original data is already stored in the Salesforce. This is a duplicate data. What we are getting already, customer is created the records. Okay, this is all the data which we have got today. Now request bin, what he will do, he will check the record. Then the third party system, he will agree. Yes, you can delete these records. Then you should have to delete the record.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to the request bin. So in this request bin, you don't want to copy any kind of credential. You should have to copy the endpoint URL. You can able to see, right, the unique URL. This is the endpoint URL main. You can do one thing, copy the URL and go to the remote set setting and paste it. Go to the remote set setting and paste this request bin URL. So Salesforce, it will be connect to the request bin database. Save this.
Yes.
Clear? Now the scenario is I'm telling you again. Um, you can open the notepad. Okay. The
Yes.
first thing, when the dat see for example, I'm the customer. I have created the record from the Mumbai. Okay, and the data is stored in the database. Correct. This is the first. And second, again, what I did again, I move on the Bangalore and for the I forget like I again store the data again. My data again store in the database. So what will happen in this case? So whatever in Bangalore, whatever the record I have created in that record, my data it will be duplicate. Like the duplicate is true, and whatever the record is created from the Mumbai, that record ID is stored in the Bangalore record. Correct.
Yes, yes.
At the same time, whenever the boolean is true, whenever the ID is generated on the field, at a time the data should be sent on the third party system, which is the request pin. Did you clear?
Yeah, understood. Yes.
Got it right?
Yes, yeah, understood.
Yeah, you can do this one.
So
So in this
based
case, what
from
you
that
need to do?
flow,
Yeah, in this case, what you need to do? You need to do a REST because you are sending a
yes,
data from the Salesforce to third party. Okay,
yes,
you need to do a REST API for this.
yes, correct. So yeah, that is okay.
Mhm.
Mm, okay. It will be a post operation, right?
Yes, you should have to put a HTTP post because you are sending a data right from here.
Yes, yes. Correct. What JSON?
Uh, at the rate HTTP, line number 4.
Yeah, it's correct. You need to put some URL also here, right? Yeah,
URL mapping.
yeah, it's correct now, right?
So that's
Yeah, I did this. I mean, is it correct?
hmm No, you don't want to do any kind of delete. Just you need to just you are pushing the data to the third party. Okay. Now, when the record is created, right, and both record is created, then how you can able to send the data to the third party? That's the main thing. Like you have created a REST. So what is the next step? So it should have to trigger, right?
Yeah, so from flow I need to do, but can I directly do it from flow or like some asynchronous needs to call for
From the
that?
Apex only you can able to fall. Or else do one thing. You can add here invocable. Then this method you can able to call in the flow. Or else you can able to create the trigger class as well.
Invocable together.
Sorry.
So to I mean to make this class available in the flow, I need to use @invocable, right?
Yes. At the rate invocable you can able to
So
write.
yeah, so can I use HTTP post and @invocable together?
Together, yes, try once. The
It's
spelling is wrong, I
giving.
guess. Spelling wrong, I guess.
Invocable method. Invocable only.
Showing the error. Okay, you need
So I
to
use the
do a
yeah,
invocable to is deprecated.
I use the invocable method, so I don't know.
So you can do one thing. Invocable method. No, no, no. Go back. Yeah, invocable bracket open bracket close. You can able to add a label. LABLE label. Bracket open bracket close. You can use label send account like send account records. You can able to write.
Same thing. No?
Yeah.
It's invocable method is directly. Is it invocable or invocable method?
No, no, no.
Or
Invocable, invocable. You can do one thing. Remove the HTTP post. Line number 4. INVO CABLE
yeah,
METHOD
now
method.
it got sent.
Yes. So we are already wrote the post, right? Line number 13. Set method as a
Yes.
post. Okay, now you can able to call this in flow. Like, refresh it. It will not. It will not update, I guess.
I need to make this variable as output.
Yes.
How can I pass the value here? Okay. Here, I am not using anything. So is it
You're
fine?
not using.
Okay. No, no, it's fine. Fine. I understood. I have used the query here, so but if I am using the query, so
Mhm.
there is, I mean,
No.
either I need to query here or need to pass the collection variable from the flow.
To pass the collection variable, you don't want to do anything. Just you can do action. Okay. In that, you can start the IDs. You should have to pass the IDs as well. For that purpose, you need to create another one Apex. I think that is a for the Input purpose, you should have to create another one Apex class for like wrapper. Are you getting?
No.
No. For this way, you have call right. Then do one thing. Um, Debug it. Save this. Save this. Save as a new action. It will not work right.
I don't have any record.
Huh? Okay. It's throwing the go below. You can get the error. Scroll down. Oh, uh, so you have not added the variable in the Apex.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like I need to add it here, right?
Yes, you should have to add the variable. So where you above line number 3, you can able to add the variables. Okay, from here. Okay, you
And
can do it.
so I'm saying like if I am passing that value, then there is no need to do this query again, right?
No, you don't want to do this.
Yeah.
If you're parsing means you don't want to do because already we're having a data error, correct, on that flow.
Yeah, that's right. Why this variable is
Mm-hmm.
I have added for available for output also. So only the triggering account this option is coming.
Because ACC, LIST, it's a collection variable. It's coming from the Apex, and it's a empty only. It's not having any kind of data in Apex.
But I am updating here with the
No,
accounts
if
to update,
you,
right?
yes, if you update it here, right? So you have created new Apex class. That Apex class you have called in the flow as an action. So how you can able to map the old variables in the new action? It's not possible. So what you need
I
to do?
didn't get like I have created this
Mhm.
variable here in this flow only and
Mm-hmm.
updating this record based on this collection variable. But
Yes.
like it should come in this this is also a flow between this only, right? So
Update. It's showing the update, correct? When it's update, do one thing. Can call able to call the action in the for inside the for loop? It's possible.
can be done,
Mm,
but like then
no,
it will but it will not update that time.
no, not possible. You should have to do one thing only. In Apex only, you should have to create the variables, and then you should have to assign that variable. In the in flow, what you have created the variable, right? That flow variables you should have to assign the Apex variables, and that variable you can able to see in the action. Okay, just do it. Just do this one. We will connect tomorrow. Okay, Mitra.
Okay.